is right 내일은 걱정 마 오늘은 내가 오직 널 How to carry it How to carry it Let it go let it go now until the time now How to carry it How to carry it Let it go let it go now until the time now How to carry it How to carry it 느낌에서 진 적이
Hey guys, it's Rina. So this is a tutorial of how to carry by GOT7 that we went through on last Tuesday and Thursday in my K-pop workshop in Arizona. I told all of my participants that that song is definitely one of the hardest K-pop choreographies, but everyone made it, so let's just do it. Please post your dance videos with a hashtag K-pop with Rina so I can see and share on my story. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so first we're gonna face to the right and your neck facing to the back. We're gonna start with 5, 6, 7, 8. At 8, face front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna do 1 and 2 and. Start with your legs. 8, right, quick, knees in and out. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, quick, knees in and out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and. With your arms, take your left arms in front of your chest and throw your right arm. Boom. This is going to be 1 and. Now, both hands down, 2 and. Take it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and. Now we're gonna do 3 and. This one, take your left foot back and both of your arms go around your head. 3 and. Now we're gonna do 4 and 5. Imagine that you are playing the guitar. So 4 and 5. We're gonna do shake 3 times. Shake, shake, shake. And we're gonna jump. Land it from your left legs. 4 and 5. If, see, kiss. Make your fist, bend your elbows, and open a little bit in front of your chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. If, see, kiss. Now we're gonna go 7, 8 and 6. Step front. Now take it right. Knees out first and go in. And then your right legs switch and open. 6. Knees out, in, switch and open. Your arms. 6. Now 7, extend, go through the bottom. And 7. Yes, bend your elbows, take your feet to the back of your neck. And boom, bring it to the front. 6, 7, 8, and. Let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. In, 6, 7, 8 and. Now we're gonna do 9 at 1. At 1 next we're gonna do and 2. From this position we're gonna back to the center and only your right arm up, up. Cross in front of your chest and up, up. Only twice. And we're gonna scoop something and 3. Yes, 3. It's gonna be make a fist again and bring it up. Place a little bit to the right. So 7, 8, 1 and 2 and scoop and take your left foot. Boom. 3 and 4 and 5. Now take it down. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. And we're gonna do if, sit, kiss. This one, left, right. Your legs, left, right. Your arms, right, left. So it's gonna be cross, cross. And we're gonna go down. Bend your knees, down. And then when you go down, flip with your hands. Flip. There you go. Now we're gonna take your right knee up and then touch with your left hand and then go around, make a circle, 360. Here we go. Right, bottom, left, up. Go through and go and open. Make a fist again next to your ears. Bend your knees, hips down and up. I start with here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8 and. Alright, let's start with the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Alright, let's do the music to see how fast it is. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 4, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 and. The move itself is not that hard, but it's just so fast and there are so many steps in each count, so you're gonna remember. Once you remember, it's all yours. So until you remember, just be patient. Okay, so we are halfway. Now we're gonna do 1 and 2 and. This one, bend your knees again, hips down, and your knees go in, out. Now left, in, out. That's it. In, out, in, out. Your arms extend and pull to your right hip first and extend. Now the other side, pull to your left hip. So 1 and 2 and. Now 3 and 4 and. We're gonna do twice knees in, 2, 1, and then your right arm flip, flip, flip 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Your knees twice, but your arms go 3 times. And then your left arm is always in front of your chest like this. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and now we're gonna do 5, 6. This one, from this position, we're gonna do up jump and the right knee up. Here we go, hands up and down. Now clap your hands and down. Again, it's gonna be so fast, so you don't need to jump so higher, but you can do a little jump up and up, down. Yes. Now we're gonna do 7, 8. This one, your legs. Bend your knees. Take your heels off a little bit from the ground and use in. There you go. In, out, in, out, in, out. And we're gonna walk in, out. There you go. If it's too hard, you can just walk like this. We're just gonna do only 3 steps. 2, 3. And your arms extend. Go start with your right and go through in front of you and to the left. And you can add neck, not. 7, 8. And again, your left arm in front of your chest. We are still facing to that way, but your right arm muscles, make a little muscles, put your feet together. And 1. At 1, we're gonna open our legs, touch your belly, and face to the front. So 7, 8, and 1. Now we're gonna go down and 2 here and 1. Now bend your knees to the right out. Now knees in and touch your right hand on the mat. 1 and 2 and. Now we're gonna do knot. 3 at 3 knot. And now touch your hands, go through your body all the way to your knees. Now it's super slow, but again it's gonna be so fast, so super fast. So 3 and 4 and at 5 take your right knee to your head. Boom. Yes. 3 and 4 and 5. Now 6, switch your position, get ready to stand up. 6, again your left arm is always on this position, and as you're going up, take one flip with your right arm. Flip. And kick. Kick with your left leg and throw your right arm again. Boom. 7, 8, stand up, make a fist in front of you, this pubic area, and knot. That's it. Okay, so we're gonna start with here. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and knot, and 4, and 5. If switch, 6, 7, 8, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. If 6, 7, 8, and start with here, the latter half. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 8, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 8, 6, 7, 8, and let's just start with the top. We're gonna do a little bit slower and faster, and with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 8, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 8, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 8, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 4, and 5. 8, 6, 7, 8, and a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 8, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 8, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 8, 6, 7, 8, and alright, let's do with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 8, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4. 5, 8, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give us thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and follow my social media. We have this K-pop workshop every Tuesday and Thursday in Arizona from 8 to 9 p.m. So hope to see you guys on next week. Bye!